National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 6 miles southwest of Mansville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Maudeal, Dixon, Mansville, Ravia, Rossett, and Oakland. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.